Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have more cases for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I have two cases from CASETiFY. This is their Ultra Bounce cases. They sent me one in black and then also one in blue. If you want to protect your device, I highly recommend picking up these cases. I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up and save 15% until the end of October of making this video. Now you can pick up these cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max too, and in the link it will have all the cases there. If you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Like we normally do in my reviews, we make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How is the overall fit? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How strong is the magnet on here? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. Again, I probably won't try on and go through each case. I'm gonna start with the black, review it, and then we can try on the one with the blue. But bam, I have more cases from them coming soon too, so stay tuned. But this is the packaging you would get. Bam. This case was made for you. There's a bunch of paperwork in here. Get this little tab off. So here it is. The screen protector actually has, or the camera protection actually has little covers over it. But this is going to protect your phone. Like, I mean, it's like bouncing on a trampoline. So, do you get camera protection? Yes, because they are covered up. Look at the lip protection all the way around too. What y'all think about these big bounce things here? Corner protections, should I call it? Power button is easy to press. Vinyl rockers are nice and tactile. The action button works. They have a cutout too. And it's pretty good too. I mean, you can see it definitely works. You can zoom in, zoom out, take a picture if you wanted to. But it doesn't show, like it doesn't have a big space around it. So if you drop it, you're not going to do really any damage to your phone, which is good. That is a good design. Now it does add bulk. These corner protections, these bounce absorptions, things really do add some bulk to your phone. Everything lines up at the bottom too. The overall fit is snug. Man, that's pretty good. And then trying to get it off. Yeah, that's a good fitting case too. The last thing we want to check out, how strong is the magnet. And yeah, that is definitely a strong magnet there. Let's see. The good test. Now, when I was able to pull it, see when I can pull like this, it might not be the strongest though. But for me, it is doable. It will work. You can wireless charge. Let's try the other test we like doing now. So the magnet is not, I mean, if you have a heavy battery pack, you may not want to pick this up because it's not one of the strongest, but for me, it's definitely doable. It's not going anywhere. I think even if you had like a car mount, it's not going to bounce off and go flying around. But here's the black one. Kind of like that. You have the CASETiFY logo there too on both sides. Man, definitely adds some bulk because of the cushions around it. Let's check out the blue one. which I mean, blue is just my favorite color. So, all right, so here's the blue. It's gonna fit the same. Fits in there, it's nice and snug. Turn on the flashlight for some reason. It fits nice and snug. I like that blue though. And it shows off the Apple logo. I don't know, which one do y'all like? The clear and the blue, or y'all just like the black and clear one? Y'all let me know. I will have the links in the description. Again, you can pick this up. Until October 31st, you will save 15% using the link. Support the brand, also support the channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.